The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, east central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, and Elgin County AM. At 12:47 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over King of Prussia, or 12 miles northeast of Westchester, moving northeast at 2 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations of the coast include Philadelphia, northwest, northeast, Radnor Township, Bridgeport, West Conshohocken, Audubon, Blue Bell, Chester Road, Floortown, Devon Bowen, Trooper, and Windmore. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 323 and 336. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 27. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 344. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 19. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and control at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, the tornado warning, the woman has